An SUV driven by former Speaker of Parliament and National People's Power MP Asoka Ranwala collided with a car and a motorbike in the Sapugaskanda area last Thursday. 3 occupants of the car, including an infant, sustained injuries in the accident. MP Asoka Ranwala, who was also injured, was arrested by the police while receiving treatment at the Colombo National Hospital and was later released on bail. The case is scheduled to be taken up for hearing before the Mahara Magistrates Court on the 19th of December. Police spokesperson ASP FU Wootler stated that the results of the blood test to determine whether the MP was driving under the influence of alcohol at the time of the accident are yet to be received. However, the vehicle inspection report indicates that the brake system of the SUV driven by MP Ranwala had not been properly maintained. In this context, several political parties commented on the matter today.
There
are allegations that the MP was under the influence of alcohol at the time of the accident. If there is any such suspicion, it is the responsibility of the police to conduct a proper investigation and determine whether he was intoxicated or not. However, people who were present at the scene say they have become aware that the police were forced not to conduct the relevant test. What is the purpose of conducting a test 2 days after the accident? The public too might urge the police to enforce the law on them according to the standard applied to Ranwala, requesting to undergo sobriety test 2 days after an incident. To my knowledge as an attorney, if there is a suspicion that the driver was under the influence at the time of the accident, police are required to conduct a sobriety test immediately. However, deviating from the standard protocol, police have introduced a practice where the suspect is tested for intoxication 24 hours after the accident. We are aware of who our comrade Ranwala is politically. The law should be applied equally to Ranwala as the driver of the vehicle, and we have no objection to that. However, we strongly condemn the misinformation being circulated regarding Ranwala. The party will take responsibility for Ranwala in his role as a politician.